guys, it's been a while. So the last time I posted was a month, I would assume so. And I've been thinking a lot between those times. The plans for this channel, I don't really know for sure. But for right now, currently, I'm just going to be posting whenever I want to. And I actually like not posting that much because lately I've been not posting a lot. Just anywhere really. I used to post a video every single week. I used to post an Instagram picture every single week. I would say it's a good thing because I used to be obsessed with trying to get the views or the growth of having followers or something like that. Right now, my goal in life is not to have a YouTube channel and be famous. Right now, my goal in life is go to college and get my degree and pursue that degree. It's not that I regret doing YouTube. I actually don't, because without starting a YouTube channel, I wouldn't actually find the love for film and graphics and just like everything of the digital media. I will be posting more things, just not as often. I will be starting college this year, so maybe some more like college related videos. Gonna be going on like a trip. Hopefully, I really do because I want to go. So there'll be some travel videos and maybe some videos along the way. But anyways, to start on this video, I'm gonna be doing a lot of just spring break things. Well, actually, I'm just cleaning out some things so I could give away some of my things to a rummage sale, which I have to go help out, which I don't mind. I actually like doing kind of like this type of things anyway. What the heck? Where is the opening? Alright, we got a plastic bag. Let's get started. So how I'm going to organize this one is, if there's some clothes I'm thinking about selling on my Depop, I will put it on the side or just keep it in here. The clothes that I feel like I need to give away, I'm going to put in the bag. I won't be like really unfair with this. Like if I feel like there's a good chance that this could be sold, I'm going to keep it just because it's like my clothes. And plus I'm selling my books anyway, which I will be showing soon because I filmed this after I filmed putting away my books. But you didn't need to know that. Alright, it's already piling up already. God. It's my underwear showing. I'm sorry. Oh Jesus Christ. I hope this doesn't break. That'd be really bad. Now that's out of the way. I was thinking of actually making a two-part series where the first video is just like getting all the clothes in check, and the second would be just me going around and like setting up the actual rummage sale and stuff like that. But I'm not really sure if that would work out because I could be busy and I won't have time to actually film. If it's not an actual thing, I'm sorry. But if it does actually work out, good for Tron. Let's go. Alright, welcome to my bookshelf. It's not really much of a bookshelf, it's really just like a lot of just random things. I have like knickknacks such as this like, I made this in art. It's like this hamburger with the cat on it. I don't know why I made it, but it's cute and it stays up. I also have some awards. I think the best award of all of them is probably gonna be this one, which is like, I got first place at Little Olympics, which is basically just like this is like a competition about who can do better at like high jump, long run, and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I was doing the high jump for the first time and I got first place, and I was really sad because this is like the newfound talent I had. Obviously I did not take track later on because do you know me? But anyways, there's also like something like I got this little bear from Valentine's Day from my mom. Thanks, Mom. Oh, I just now realized. But there's also movies in the back, and most of the movies are like Barbie, Bratz dolls kind of thing. Honestly, I'm really thinking about watching all of them, but I don't have a DVD player, so that wouldn't work. Anyways, I'm sorry if there's like clutter on here. This is mostly just like my art clutter. I just have like sketchbooks and watercolors and just like packaging things when I sold stuff on Depop. In the back I have books, so I'm gonna be taking them out and put it in this box right over here. Ow. It would probably be a good idea to like take all these stuff out, but I really don't want to because I don't have time. Oh my god, I just realized how many books I have. How many did I spend on these books? Okay, I'm gonna give you a little more tea about myself. I love reading books a lot. I actually do read books. Maybe not like physical books that much, but I do read a lot online, on my phone. I personally think, I don't think it's a waste of money to buy physical books. I think it's great because it's like, there's like a different feeling when you're reading on paper. But personally, I just buy the book, read it for one time, and then never look at it again, which is why this is weird when I'm looking at some of these books that I didn't even think I have. The reason why I have, oh my god, I just realized this thing is like hanging on this because there's a book behind me. What is that? Oh, okay. So how I'm gonna really like start separating is the books I want to read before I give it away, I'm gonna keep for now, and the books I've gotten as a gift I'm gonna keep because it doesn't feel right to give away books that people gave me as a gift. So I'm gonna keep those books until I can tell my future self to see if they would be able to get rid of that, because I'm gonna leave that to my future self, not my present self. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. Love this book, by the way. This is by Connor Franta. I love his book. It was really good. It was nice to know reading about himself, and it's very aesthetically pleasing. So, but either way, I'm gonna give it away. I feel like I have to keep reminding myself, like, read a book. I used to, when I was younger, like, fold the pages on the edge. Don't do it anymore because it's not cool. It's a book, bro. Gotta be respectful. Put on some respect. How cute! I made an origami where it's like a bookmark with a heart. I'm keeping that forever. Who wants it? Whoever gets this book, I mean. I made so much bookmarks. No, I didn't. That was a lie. I only made this one. If I stay, you know what really gets on my nerves is that this thing doesn't line up to this, which I really hate. I don't know why I did that. Coming a books review channel, I don't know why. I'm keeping this because I made this bookmark myself, and plus this is my name. I don't think anyone wants that. Hold on. I know I said I wasn't giving away some things I got from a gift, but I got this from a Secret Santa. And personally, I don't think I'm going to be reading this one. It's a children's book, by the way. I think my grandpa might be Santa. Good to know. Whoever wants that, love it. Last one is the Holy Bible. Wouldn't it be weird to put things to sell as a Holy Bible at a church rummage sale? You know what, I'm gonna do it because I don't. Yeah. Now we're just left with these. Well, actually, with these. I'm gonna put this back later. This is a flattering angle. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy this, and it's been a while. I miss y'all. I hope you guys are doing good because I'm doing pretty well, doing nothing on my spring break. A lot of pictures I've seen are just like of beaches and just random places they travel to, and I'm like, I'm staying at home. So anyways, if you guys are having fun somewhere in who knows where, have fun. Hopefully I will join in the fun sooner or later, and I will see you guys in next video sometime, who knows. Okay, bye.